Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically not only the color variant, but if you have any other name of the variant which you are interested to display as a separated product on the collection pages, so that is also possible. So you just need to change the name from color to any other name which you have added. So on my screen you can see that we have all the products displaying on this collection page, and each product has multiple color variants, but right here you can see only single color is displaying. To display all the colors, there will be the possibility of more purchase, because most of the customers are visualized by the colors and they can actually easily decide which color they need. On the collection page it is quite easy for them to decide. So that's how we can actually improve our sales also. So one more thing I wanted to mention here is that this is not specific to one collection. You can also display all the separated variants on other collections also. I mean, this solution is common for all the collections. So on every collection you will find out that all the color variants, or maybe the variant which you have selected, so those will be separated as an individual product. Let me show you step by step that how you can do it yourself. So this video is specific for trade theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go through the playlist of the videos which I have already added the link below in the description. And if you still don't find the relevant theme, then you can message me. I will create a video or maybe help you. Then I will definitely help you according to your theme. So firstly, you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme, because later on if you have any problem or something, you can roll it back to its original version. Once you duplicate it, then you should again click on these three dots and click on edit code. And here you can see that we have some folders and files, and now we are interested to follow the documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should download the documentation. And once you are downloading the files, you will find out that we have these three files, and you should open document.txt, and inside of it you will see that we have color dash variant. I mean, in the first step what you should do is you need to create a new snippet, and that snippet name is color dash variant. So you should copy the name from here, go back here, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste that name here, and then click on done. So in that way you are actually creating an empty file of color variant. Again, go back to the documentation. We have to create another new snippet, and name of that snippet will be color dash card dash product. So you should copy the name from there and click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, click on done, and you will have an empty file here also. So now we are interested to paste the code which I have already attached. So you have to open color dash variant.txt, and inside of this you should copy the complete code and then go back, click on color dash variant.liquid, and inside of it you need to paste that code, and then you should save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and go back and open color dash card dash product.txt, and inside of it you can also see that we have the code. You should copy and then paste it inside of color dash card dash product.liquid. So I have pasted that code, and you should save the changes, and then you can close this file also. Now we are coming back to the third step, which is go to sections, open main dash collection dash product dash grid. So you should copy this name and search inside of this search box, and you will find out that under sections we have main dash collection dash product dash grid dot liquid, and inside of it we are going to find color card dash product. So let me search inside of it using Control F or maybe Command F. You should search it, and it will be highlighted like this. So we are going to replace this with color dash variant. So let me copy, and then you should actually replace it with color dash variant. Once you are done, then we have the last and final step, which is remove li tag and around the card product render component. So basically we need to remove li tag around this component. So component means this one. You need to remove these li tag, which is opening tag, and then we have the closing tag here. So you should remove this one also. Once you are done, then you can save the changes. So here you can see that now the changes are saved. I'm going to close this file, and here we have these products. Now let me refresh this page. Now here we go. Now you can see that we have all the color variants displayed as a separate product. So earlier you was seeing that we had only one color displaying here, but right now we have multiple colors. I mean, for each product we had multiple colors, but now all are displaying. Earlier we were not able to see all the colors. All right, so that's how you can actually display all those color variants as a separate product on your collection pages. So this will also apply on other collections also. So let me show you for this collection, for example. So here you can see that we have all the other color variants displayed as an individual product. So that's how you can implement this feature into your store. So if you are facing any issue or something, you can directly message me. I will help you out in solving the problem. So if you have to create any new section into your store, or maybe any kind of customization, so I'm ready to help you out in that. And maybe you need to create a new store or want improvement in existing store, so you can directly message me on WhatsApp. I am available to help you out in solving all those issues. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and you can also join a WhatsApp group which I have already created a few days ago. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.